Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to ask the user for their name and then print it. So the problem statement is, so you have to ask a user to enter their name and print it onto the standard output. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So let me take a variable, that is string variable name, and use the input function call to ask user to enter the name. So let's use input. So let's say please enter your name. Yeah, so once the user enters the name, so it will be of string type and it will be stored in this variable. So now in the next line, so let us try to print it. So once the user enters the name, so it will be stored in this variable. So using this variable, so let us try to print. That is, let's use a print function and let's say hello, and yeah, so let's give comma and let's directly print this string, that is the name. Yeah, so this is just a two-line code in order to ask a user to enter their name and print it. So let me run this program and let me show you how it works. So enter your name, so let's give something like Raj. So you can see it has printed hello Raj, so with the greeting, that is hello. So you can also modify this statement instead of hello. So let's say welcome. So now let us try to run this. So you can just use different greeting messages over there. Let's say hello, welcome, or greetings. So please enter your name. So let's say code with TJ. Yeah, you can see welcome code with TJ. It has printed. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to ask user to enter their name and then print it. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's all I had. Thank you for watching. Bye.